IKESTEEL Luoyang Company Limited is a global trading group company specializing in the development of outdoor living products with pavilions as its main products. We have established branch offices and pavilion product showrooms in Europe, the United States, and Barbados. The factory has a complete set of production molds that can match different customers' product needs from simplicity to luxury, as well as efficient production processes including cutting, welding, spraying, and professional testing. Advanced equipment such as fully automatic aluminum cutting machines, CNC bending machines, punching machines, drilling and milling integrated machines, aluminum special welding machines, wood grain transfer printing equipment, and spraying equipment are used. The company has a total of 13 employees. An assembly testing team is composed of experienced professionals to ensure that every step meets high standards. Our R&D engineers offer a wide range of customization options, packaging, color, size, logo, and customized solutions for special shapes. Our commitment to quality assurance is reflected in a series of services such as incoming inspection of raw materials, inspection during the production process, pre-delivery inspection of finished products, and installation guidance after delivery. Our products are produced strictly in accordance with EU certification standards, and we proudly support retailers, engineers, wholesalers, individual users, and brand enterprises. We guarantee fast delivery and provide excellent customer service, which makes us a trusted partner in the global market. Our persistent pursuit of quality and innovation is reflected in our collaboration with top engineers in the industry and strict adherence to quality assessment processes.